All right, welcome boys and girls to day 4 of daily math for week 4. All right, so our first problem is a subtraction problem. And I'm going to need to rewrite this number where the numbers are stacked on top. Remember, with subtraction, the largest number goes on top. Okay, now I'm ready to subtract. 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 minus 7, I can't do. The 3 is too small to take away 7. So I'm going to go to my hundredths place to regroup. I'm going to take 100 away, and that leaves me with 400 left. I'm going to add those hundreds into my tens place. So I'm going to add 10 to the 3 to get 13. Now I'm ready to subtract. 13 minus 7 is 6. 4 minus 1 is 3. 2 minus 2 is 0. So my answer is 363. All right, boys and girls, let's look at the next box. We've got 5 times 3 equals 15. It says write a related multiplication fact. So all they want you to do is use the commutative property. And multiplication, another way to write 5 times 3 is 3 times 5, which equals 15. All right, our next problem, we are multiplying by a multiple of 10, the number 30. So remember what I taught you about when you're multiplying with a multiple of 10, which has a 0 in it. You cover up that 0 and you do 3 times 2 first. And 3 times 2 is 6. Then you go back and count how many zeros are in the problem. Well, there's only one 0 in the problem. So you're going to add that 0 to the end. So 30 times 2 is 60. Sorry, boys and girls, that's my dog barking in the background. Okay, so then we've got 3 times 3, which is 9. And then you're going to add 1 0 to the end, and that'll give you 90. Last problem. 3 times 4 is 12. There's 1 0 in the problem, so you add it to the end. So 30 times 4 is 120. All right, list the factors of 11. Remember, factors are numbers you multiply together to get 11. So the first thing I'm going to start with is my 1 times 11. I'm thinking to myself, is there any other numbers that I can multiply to get 11? And I can't think of any. 2 doesn't work, 3 doesn't work, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 don't work. So when we have a number with only 2 factors, 1 in itself, we call this number a prime number. So 11 is a prime number. All right, boys and girls, I'll see you next week for daily math.